There we go. Nice little brook trout. All right, next cast after I got that brook trout. And we're about to get another one. Man, they're everywhere here. Wow, I did not mean to pull them out of the water that much. All right. Second one here at this new spot. Nice little brook trout. All right, next cast. Whoa, my goodness, they're everywhere. This is probably the biggest one of the day, and a fly at least. Might as well leave the camera on. Show you exactly how it is. All right, I got that tangle out. There's cast after the tangle. Let's see. I don't know, might have caught all the trout in this hole. Nope, never mind. There we go. That's a little bit of a better one. There he goes. Let's get back out there. See what's back there. Yes, another one. All right, come here, buddy. Got that other. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, hooked up with another one here. Oh, you got a few buddies with him. Here we go. Nice little pretty brook trout. Little baby duck right there. There's the mother. Fish on. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a beaver. I thought it was a mother duck. But I guess that's the beaver. Yeah, a big old beaver. Was a mother duck there. Wow, that's a big beaver. Big beaver. Anyway, let's get this guy back in the water. Got him. That's a better fish. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Still, I mean, nothing crazy. It's only small brook trout. Oh, that would have been the biggest one of the day. Got him. That's a decent trout. Ooh, ooh. Oh, yeah. Come here. Okay. Yep. Wow, he is healthy. Jeez, that's a nice fish. Yes, sir. Got another one. Oh, I might have lost him. Did I? No, I still got him. He's just not very big. Okay. See her now. Oh, I was releasing the other one because he was down at my feet and I hooked up. Man, these are some healthy fish. Another chunky trout. Man, did he ever choke it. Got him. Sir. Another beautiful trout. Oh, it's probably the longest one of the day. Oh. There it is, yeah. It's a nice fish. That's a good cast. Yes, sir, got him. This one feels pretty good. Let's see him here now. Oh, shit! Didn't mean to do that. At all. Wow, what a state I got here now. Have I still got him? Oh, yeah. Beaver never just went over your line. You don't have him, do you?
I do,
No, you don't. Oh, Lord, Ryan.
Oh my god, he's taking me.
Oh, there was nothing you could do about it. He come out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Just try snap the line, I'd say.
I'm playing this fucker
Oh
out.
my god.
I got a dog on. Oh, it's like salmon fishing. I got me like
Have I got one? Oh yeah, I have got one. It's not a bad trout.
come on, boy. I can't. I'm fucking blowing this shit up to kill that beaver. There's no need of that happening.
That's a nice trout. Come here, Stinky. Oh, flies right out, and oh, buddy, you might be screwed there. There we go. Yeah, he's all right. Did I? I thought I'm hooked in the tail. All right.